my Sonic Boom Sonic custom figure, and sorry, I cannot concentrate with this camera. You see, like, I colored the skin light blue because I was gonna do the arms, but I decided to do the arms, head. Yeah. I had used the Free Rider figure. I used the Sonic Free Rider figure because I will be customizing my my Tails, Knuckles figures. And I was just like, I'm sorry I did not wrap I'm sorry I did not wrap the arms or the legs because I didn't want to get tape messed up on it. So yeah, I'm trying to get him to stand up. It's hard for him to stand up. It's hard for him to stand up. And hold on. Sorry, my mom is too loud. And after customize it, I let it dry. And look, I customized it good, didn't I? Customized it good. I did the shoes so perfectly, like my Sonic Boom custom figure. Like, he can still move the articulation. Like, he can still, it's not glued, it's tape. Like, why would you say it's glue? Because this is actually tape that I used. And I used the same thing as the shoes. And I will do some more taste tests. And I will do some more Yoshi's Island. Like, I'm gonna upload my Yoshi's Island on Saturdays now. And I'm gonna upload it Saturdays. And I hope you guys like it. Cause Yoshi's Island, like, I made a running test and I deleted the video because I didn't want to show it to everyone because it was upside down like this, like upside down. It was upside down, but I keep it like sideways. But after I do my taste test, sometimes I upload 2 videos. Like, I did the arms blue. Like, I was like, why Sonic arms blue in Sonic Boom? Like, for real. It's like art design. I use my arts on it. My custom figure, Sonic Boom. Like, Sonic's arms should not be blue. It should be the peach tan cream, whatever color, like, for real. They did a kind of bad animation, not bad, but the people that made Sonic Boom, like, Sonic is the Hedgehog. Some people say that he's slow. Like, Like, he's fast. Like, he's not slow. Some people say that somebody's faster than Sonic, but nobody's faster than Sonic. Like, not even a single person catch up to lightning. He can even catch up to the speed of light. Yeah. Yeah, like I vote for Sonic. Sonic is a speedy animal. What'd you call me? Nothing. Yeah.